Hi there, Sandra here from createinspain. Today's video is a short one because I'm literally just showing you something that I'm giving you that you can use. The first piece is either a stencil or an embossing folder. Now those of you who've seen my previous videos will probably know already that I use card stencils basically to emboss in my Gemini. It works out very well, I can make them very easily, and yeah, it's just a useful thing to be able to do. Particularly if you do intend to use paint on your stencils, it means you can just junk it after you've used it. Now this is a sentiment that I have made, a cutout sentiment, and that's going to be used in a card that I'm making as well. Now I cut this out on my laser. If you don't have a laser, you should be able to cut it out quite easily with your normal cutting machine. Certainly the Juliet will cut this out without any difficulty. This is the card that I made with the embossed front, and hopefully you can see the embossing on camera. I doubled up the sentiment and propped it up on foam pieces, and I'm happy with the result. You also notice that I haven't wasted the inside bits of the embossing folder because I've used those and I've stuck them on the front as well. So very little wastage in this at all. Hope you've enjoyed the video. I'll see you again soon. Bye.